I planned for a 5-year PhD, but now my visa might expire after 4 years? That's the growing fear spreading through Indian student groups as the US considers ending duration of status for F1 and J1 visas. Instead of staying as long as you're enrolled, DHS wants to cap visas at 2 to 4 years, forcing students to file extensions with USCIS to stay longer. Miss that deadline, and you risk unlawful presence, which can trigger bans from re-entry. This is a massive shift from the flexible DS system students have relied on for decades. Indian students are among the most affected. In 2024, over 420,000 Indians studied in the US, more than a quarter of all international students. Programs like PhDs, integrated masters, and research-heavy degrees often stretch beyond 4 years. That means mid-program visa renewals, new fees, and added risks right when students should be focused on research or coursework. Experts warn this bureaucratic burden could deter global talent and weaken America's position as the top choice for higher education. So what should Indian students do right now? First, track your program timeline and know your finish date. If your studies exceed 4 years, plan to file Form 1539 for an extension well before your I-94 expires. Stay in constant touch with your DSO because even one lapse could cause serious consequences. And always consider backup options: Canada, remote learning, or speeding up your degree if possible. This isn't just a proposal, it's a real systemic change, and Indian students could be hit the hardest. Would your degree run longer than 4 years? Comment below with your program type and how you're preparing.